All right, here's that story I was talking about that Elon is buying Manchester United now. Everybody wants Manchester United. I hear a lot about this stuff going on. And Elon throw his name in the hat. He's seriously considering a team takeover. It's one of the most valuable, if not the most valuable of sports franchises. I can't remember. Elon has an estimated net worth of $187 billion. What might you need to pick up a little Manchester United? Why would Elon Musk be interested in the first place? Well, it turns out he's a big fan. In August of last year, he tweeted, "I'm buying Manchester United," although he later deleted the post. He had enough from the Federal Trade Commission.
Yeah.
Did you say you were buying funding secured? I don't know what you're talking about. You got the wrong guy.
Here's some pictures of my dog.
That was Elon Tusk.
Tusk. That's a funny word.
The Glazer family, who currently owns the club, are reportedly looking for around USD 7.3 billion for a full takeover. However, they have also expressed an interest in a partial sale, which could be an attractive option for Musk or other potential buyers if it's sold for a price exceeding the USD 4.65 billion paid for the NFL's Denver Broncos last year. Manchester United could become the world's most expensive sports team. Well, yeah. It's going to exceed 4.67. They're looking for 7.3 billion unless they're completely out of line. But this is one of those brands, Will. Sell a lot of jerseys. You got a lot of history there. There's only so many things you can buy like that, even for all those billions. I don't know what football fans, I almost said soccer. I don't know what football fans feel about that. Like if it would be a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know what he can add some Tesla chargers at the stadium. I don't know. Put logos on some jerseys. Like, I don't know what the actual impact would be.
Maybe he just likes watching the game and he wants his support.
Maybe sort of hands off, but name a thing he got involved in that he was hands off.
Yeah.
I think all of a sudden he's trying to transfer for players and he's right in the mix. Yeah. Mark Cuban style. Like, look at Mark Cuban when he got involved with the Mavericks. All of a sudden, he's sitting on the court side.
Right. Yeah.
Can't help it. No. You're the type of personality you get involved. Mm-hmm. So that would be a big deal, though. Holy crap, $7 billion. This guy can't. He
can't afford it.
He's buying everything.
Yeah.
Let me take Twitter on a Tuesday. I'll take Manchester on a Monday. What's he gonna do on a Friday?
Window shopping.
What's he gonna do on a Friday, Will?
You want to take a break?
No, what's he going to do on a Friday?
Apple.
No.
Let's say Apple.
No. Well, listen. Manchester on a Monday, Twitter on a Tuesday. What's he going to do on a Friday?
You got me.
Well, it has to start with an F. You need to name a really big company that starts with an F.
Okay, well, Ford.
There you go.
Okay.
It's Ford on a Friday. Damn, shots fired. Oh, look at you. I mean, I teed it up, but damn, you knocked it out of the park.
That took way too long.
Ford on a Friday, that would be disruptive.